Hey, hey. Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a really quick tutorial on how I do a minimalistic natural look when I'm on the go. And I'm going to start off with this black opal foundation stick and my Real Techniques beauty sponge. And I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. On my eyelids, my nose, my chin, and my mouth area, and just a bit on my forehead. This foundation is very thick. It's a foundation and a concealer. It's like a 2-in-1. So yeah, my color is Heavenly Honey, and I'm just going to blend that in with my dry beauty sponge because it works better when the sponge is dry. Now that that is done, I'm going to quickly fill in my brows very lightly. I'm using the Essence brow pencil in dark brown. And that's it. If your eyebrows are already plucked or whatever, then you know it's really quick and easy. And then I'm gonna put on this Smashbox full exposure mascara. I'm gonna use this lightly as a lip liner. And then I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss by NYX. It's in the color Clear. And that is it. And if you want to see how I do my hair, then just keep on watching. And because this is like a quick on the run video, I'm going to show you guys how I quickly get my hair in order. I haven't washed my wig this week and I haven't had time to. I'm going to show you how So I'm going to show you how I do that really quick. I almost forgot I use highlighter, but only on my nose. And just blend it with my finger. That's it. I felt incomplete and I was like, what am I missing?
A few moments later.
So guys, this is part 2 of the video, and if you've made this far, awesome, good for you, because this is the giveaway part of the video. So what I'm going to show you guys is how I get my hair in order in literally under 5 minutes using Batiste dry hair products. So Batiste and Beauty Bulletin sent me these dry shampoos, and I'm going to show you guys how I use them. I'm going to tell you about. If you want to know how they're used and stuff, check the description box, but I'm going to show you how to use them, right? So there's 7 different what do you call them? There's 7 different dry shampoos, right? I'm going to show you guys which ones I like to use and which one is best for my wig. You can use it on any hair type, literally natural hair, braids, wigs, weave, relaxed hair, literally any hairstyle, dreadlocks, whatever. So the one that I'm going to use today, I'm going to use 2. So I'm going to start with the original one. It's the Clean and Classic dry shampoo, and it's like everyone's favorite. So let's see how it goes. And when spraying it onto a wig, you're not supposed to spray it onto your closure. So yeah, I'm going to give it a good shake. I'm going to hold it 30 centimeters away from my hair, and I'm going to spray it. Woo! That is nuts. And I'm just going to mix it all in. It smells so good. It literally smells clean and fresh. Like, it smells fresh. You can stop there if you want, but I'm feeling really sweet today. I've got a sweet tooth. Everything sweet must just come my way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this cherry one as well. And it's called Fruity and Cheeky Cherry. And I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna do the same thing. Just mix it in. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, that smells really nice. And then you can just go in, you can literally apply heat to your hair after this. You can do whatever you want to your hair, style it as you please. I'm just gonna brush mine out because I am in a rush. And as my hair smells good, I ain't even gonna front. And I'm not gonna literally advertise a product to you guys that I don't like. So it smells good. If I had time, I'd like to just straighten it out with a blow dryer, but this will do. And that is that. So if you've made it this far, welcome to the giveaway. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna give away because you guys have been supporting me for so long. And my channel is small, but I've got 500 subscribers now. Thank you guys so much. Like, this is a milestone for me. Like, I didn't think I'd get to 500 because I started YouTube as just like a hobby. So the fact that I'm on 500 subscribers, shout out to you guys. And because of that, I want to say thank you by giving you guys, wow, I'm actually overwhelmed. But I want to say thank you by giving one of my lucky subscribers some Batiste hair products. I want to send you 3 bottles of the product of your choice. So all you need to do is tell me which product you want, which 3 products you want, and you have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to be following me on Instagram at GinAndJuicy_. So the ones that I've used are the original, the cherry, and then the others are Light and Breezy, Floral Flirty Blush, with a hint of color Divine Dark, Show-Stopping Heavenly Volume, and finally the Dramatic Diamond Strength and Shine. So to enter that giveaway, guys, it's really easy thing to do, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. And thank you to Batiste and Beauty Bulletin for sending me these products to try out. I will be using them regularly because I do genuinely enjoy them, and I suggest you guys get them for yourselves. And don't forget to read the description about what these products do, how to use them, where you can get them, and enter the giveaway. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.